Hey everyone, it's Marcello back from the Toyota World YouTube channel, and I'm here with a beautiful truck that we actually customized a little bit. This is the 2022 Toyota Tacoma Trail model in the army green. I'm going to tell you ahead what we did to this truck to make it a little bit more unique, a little bit more special, just ahead in this video. Now that we've had a close look at what this pickup truck looks like, how about we start off with letting everyone know what the Toyota Tacoma Trail model comes with as standard equipment. You get these beautiful, unique, bronze-colored 16-inch off-road alloy wheels. It also comes with Predator side step bars. As for the interior, it is cloth fabric seating, not Softex, not leather, but it does come with an 8-way power driver's seat. Which I should mention on this beautiful pickup truck, the front seats, although they are fabric, they are heated. Now, what about the suspension? So you can tell just by looking at this Tacoma quickly, something is up with the suspension, and that's right, it does come with a suspension lift kit on it from Toyota. So the suspension is a little bit higher than you would normally find on a regular Tacoma SR5 model, off-road model, TRD model, and so on. So you can see from the wheel gap over there, where the tire starts to where the wheel well is, you've got a little bit more space there than you would normally have on a regular 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Looks really, really cool, really mean. Looks like it's ready for the off-road, especially with those amazing Predator side step bars. Let's continue. Now check out this. How cool is this? You've got the gold lettering here in the front spelling Toyota, which pretty much matches these beautiful off-road 16-inch alloy wheels in bronze. I love it. Let's talk about the Tacoma writing on this pickup truck. So all of the Tacoma writing on this pickup truck is blacked out. That is standard from Toyota on the Trail package. We'll move over to the back. You've got here the Tacoma lettering, again blacked out. You've got the Trail logo in black over here, matches perfectly. Very hot looking truck. And the Toyota Tacoma Trail model is only available in the short box version, so that's a 60.5-inch bed length as opposed to the standard Tacoma, which is a 73-inch bed length. So if you're looking for a Toyota Tacoma Trail, you're going to have to opt in for the shorter box size. And you would think that just by looking at this Toyota Tacoma that it's up there in pricing with regards to the higher trims, higher end packages for the 2022s, but this is actually second from the bottom in terms of pricing. So the TRD off-road comes in at $45,440 plus your freight PDI and your taxes, whereas the Trail model comes in at $47,440 plus your freight PDI and your air tax. So about $2,000 difference, and that is in terms of specifications specifically for the short box Toyota Tacoma. And this specific Toyota Tacoma has a 79-liter gas tank, and it is capable of towing up to 6,400 pounds. And since Toyota figured that whoever's going to be taking ownership of this vehicle might be off-roading, it does come standard equipped with a skid plate from the factory. Now, never mind what comes as equipment that's standard on this truck, the Trail Package Toyota Tacoma. I want to show you what we've done to accessorize and make this truck a little bit more special. And it starts with what's under the hood. Let's go take a look. And as you can see here, we decided to go ahead and add a TRD cold air intake. It's $742 retail plus taxes, and yes, it does add a little bit of kick and performance. As you can tell, wow. Now moving on to the back, we went with a TRD exhaust system, deep, throaty, gives it a nice growl, gives it a nice performance, feel and touch, and of course sound, and it really adds to the off-road appeal of this 2022. Wow. 2022 Trail Tacoma.